Hello, agus fáilte go nuaire. Is mis seása mar chuidín is gidóir agus seomanín Julia. Julia de gal a hispan an Féilire a seo a fuirmid ó éman me gil a hóil. Fáinnín na bliantí físa hí. Agus tá pictrí galanta fríd éirin. Here you go now, Julia.
Hello everyone, this is Julia here in New York. I am with my dad and I am delighted to tell you that we received our copy of this beautiful calendar, all in Irish, from Eamon Coyle. It has beautiful pictures from all over Ireland and the proceeds will be donated to St. Vincent de Paul. Sorry I can't get to Ireland this year, so the calendar will be a great reminder. Goodbye from New York City, from Julia and my dad.
And Juliet will now show the pictures on the back of the calendar of the back. Some beautiful landscapes from all over Ireland. And now we get some beautiful video of New York City.